Tell me about the heat you had to endure.
Brother, I am so tired right now because it was like 100 bazillion degrees today, and that's not even a real number, bro. And that makes it even worse.
What's going on, guys? It's Rex from R1 Concepts. We are out here at the GR Movement today. Sun finally went down, things started cooling down. The event's been popping off. They had good raffles, good prizes, and hope you guys enjoy the show.